guys, I'm excited for today's video because I'm filming a friend mail haul with some awesome packages for my friends Angela, Amanda, and Jean. Angela and Amanda have YouTube channels and all three of them have Instagram accounts. I will have them linked down below. Please go follow all of them. Starting with the things from Angela, she sent me two full-size brow products that she got from Pixi. Her profile says she's brunette. They keep sending her blonde brow products and she's sent them to me, which is so kind of her. And they're both full size, like I already mentioned. Also, I apologize if the lighting is changing. I'm filming in the middle of the day and usually I don't because the sun is going in and out, but I'm trying to film 2 videos today, so apologies. So the first brow product is the Anastasia Brow Pen in the shade Blonde. Brow pens are all the rage right now, so I'm excited to try a new one. Although Anastasia blonde brow products, sometimes like the color's a little funky, but we'll see how it looks. And then we have Item Beauty by Addison Rae, which is at Sephora now, which is super cool, good for her. This is the Brow Chow Ultra Fine Brow Definer, and I was kind of expecting like a micro style pencil, but it is a triangle. But it is very, very thin, so I will give her that. This is thinner than any other triangle style brow pencil that I've seen. So I think this will work really well for people that do have thinner brows. So I'm excited to give that a try. Also, it has that weird brush that the Fenty brow products have. I'll definitely try it. But I feel like for people that have like no brow hairs and you really have to draw onto your skin, that this is gonna wipe it off, but I could be wrong. So thank you so much, Angela, and I hope that Ipsy finally gets it right and sends you brown eyebrow products. Then I've got the gift from my friend Jean. So she's so nice and she always sends me products for Back to MAC, which I definitely need to do. I have enough things now. So this is a full-size MAC Fix Plus. It's from like the Cherry Blossom collection. And then this is something that I decluttered to her forever ago, and I've had this. I got this 100,000 years ago. This is MAC Soft and Gentle, and it's just tired, it's dusted, it's crusted, it's dry, so we'll be back to MACing. It's gonna go back to MAC. I can't get that right. Then we've got some base products. I don't buy foundations too often, so I love when Jean sends them to me to try, and I've been using this foundation concealer combo for the past couple of days and I'm actually really liking it. I'm wearing it today. This is the Fenty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint in the shade number 3, which actually is like a tinge dark, but because it's not full coverage, I'm able to make that work for me on its own, which is exciting. And then I have the NYX Born to Glow concealer in the Alabaster shade. Really liking this as well. So I'll be reviewing that combo more at the end of the month. Then I'm so excited for this. I can't remember why Jean didn't like this. This is the number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Powder in the light shade. People have been comparing this to Charlotte Tilbury. And you guys know I'm more of a loose powder person, but I had to try that out. Speaking of loose powder, this is a mini of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Powder in the Butter shade. It has about half left, so this is something that I probably will put in a project pan. I'm hoping that I like the formula of that and that the color works for me. I'm just grab and go here. So I've got 2 sunscreen products. This is a mini of the Supergoop Unseen sunscreen. I have tried this before. Mine expired, so I'm excited to have it again. This goes nicely under makeup, and I'm excited for my sister to be able to try this as well, because I got her the matte sunscreen from Supergoop and she's been loving it, but she wanted to try a couple other versions as well. So I'll let her test that out. And then I also have the Dr. Dennis Gross Dark Spot Sun Defense SPF 50, and this is a reef safe sunscreen, which is nice. I'm not like up to snuff on all that stuff, but interesting. I'm very excited about this. This is an e.l.f. Bite Size Cheek Duo in the shade Spiced Apple, which has a highlight and a blush, but for my skin tone, that's definitely a blush topper. So beautiful, kind of similar to the blush I'm wearing today. This will be so nice for fall, so you guys will see this in one of my monthly makeup rankings for fall. Then we have a lipstick. This is a Buxom Full Force lipstick in White Russian, which was limited edition. It is so funny to me that, like, we'll see how this looks on me because this is hella pink. White Russian is a very milky, slightly pink tinted lip, like nude lip gloss. And this is so much pinker than the gloss. So I'll definitely try it, see how I like it. This is something I definitely like more in the spring, but it's very, very pinky, which, like, what were they doing? And then I have a couple palettes. This is Colourpop Making Mauves, which I think looks so beautiful. These three metallics here are just gorgeous, and the rest of the shades are mattes. I was gonna say we have no mattes with glitter, but Tongue Tied right here looks like it has a little bit of shimmer in it, but I'm really having to look for it. So that's good news. I'm excited to try this. I know people love the Taupe palette, but it's too gray tone for me. I don't like those shades on my skin tone, but mauves like this, things that are more pink, more purple tone, I do really, really like in the winter time. So I'm very happy to have that. And oh, I almost forgot one thing. So I was so excited for this. I was talking to Jean about whether I needed the Ombrezzy palette. I purchased it before and returned it because I'd gotten it 20% off. I wasn't super obsessed, but then this went half off on Sephora and I asked her if I should get it. And she was like, you know what, you can have mine, which was so nice. I'm so excited about this. The only thing is annoying is that it's a little longer. You have 2 pressed glitters. And I think this is the last palette that Anastasia has released. I know that Norvina's line has come out with some things, but not the actual Anastasia brand. So I want them to do more shadows. So there are so many really pretty shades in here. So I'm very excited to play with this more. And then the last thing from Jean is the Maybelline Lasting Drama Matte Eyeliner in 910 Jade Olive. I'm so excited to see how this works. You guys know I love my Maybelline Lasting Drama liner in Striking Copper. Discontinued. This is a new matte formula, but I have like a shimmery olive liner that from Colourpop I haven't tried yet. And then this will be a matte version. You guys know I love some olive, so I'm excited for that. Thank you so, so much, Jean, for that package. And oh boy, here we go. Now I have so much from Amanda, and I am just going to grab and go. I'm not trying to show you things in order. So first I have 2 little deluxe size samples of the IT Cosmetics CC Cream in the shade Fair and Light. I'm going to give Light to my sister and I will try Fair for myself. It's something that I have tried before and I'd be happy to use again. Next is just hilarious. Amanda hates the Flossy Purity Cleanser. She just doesn't like it at all. And I really enjoy it. She has sent me several of these over the years that she's gotten as free gifts. Amanda never purchases this. And then for her Ulta birthday gift this year, this was her free gift. And she was like, are you serious? Like, of all the things, why is it this? But I was super excited when she offered it to me. And this is a great size. This is 4 fluid ounces. So I have a lot of cleansers, but I couldn't say no because I do love this. They're very like basic, simple cleanser. And at this point, it's just hilarious. So I like couldn't say no because I know that cleanser just drives her crazy. Then we have something I'm very interested to try. This is a full size, one size secure the blur makeup magnet primer from Patrick Starr's line. Let me tell you, I'm not interested in anything from his line. It has nothing to do with him. I'm just not interested in his makeup line. But you guys know I love trying primers, and for free, like, I couldn't say no to that. So we'll see what I think. Then we have the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer in Fair Neutral, which is my shade from Urban Decay. And we'll see how this works. I know it is very full coverage. I'm not sure like how thick it might be, but you guys know I'm not afraid of heavy makeup. So I'm interested to try this. This is something that has been discontinued and Amanda found at TJ Maxx. So we'll see how that works for me. Then we have, that lipstick smells like vanilla or like cocoa. Not mad about it. Okay, then we have the Milani Gilded Gold Palette. I know that Amanda has tried several of these Gilded palettes. She sent me a few previously as well that I haven't tried it because I'm the worst. And she says that this new Gilded formula is like way crappier than their other palettes. If you remember, they have like the Soft and Sultry, they had like a all matte palette. Those were really nice and they got rid of them, replaced them with these. But out of all of those palettes, this one is the one that I wanted to try. It looks so beautiful. I know it's not the same color wise, but it sort of reminds me of Natasha Denona Gold palette. So I'm really interested to see what I think of the formula of this. Then I was really excited for this because it's something that I actually had purchased before and returned unused because I didn't need it. I don't need anything. But this is the BH Cosmetics Bellini Blush Palette. Y'all know I love coral blushes. So this is Coral and Orange Heaven. This shade is scary to me. But the other 5 I will definitely use, and they're different. If y'all are blush addicts like me, you know that they're different. Okay, these 2 are very similar. This one's just like a little lighter. I'm so excited for that. I haven't tried BH blushes before. Then we have from the Tarte Sugar Rush makeup line, this is their BU palette. You guys know I love a good warm neutral. So I thought it'd be fun to try that formula. Then from Nomad Cosmetics, this is the Around the World Positano Sunrise like metallic blush. So beautiful. I think I'll really like this shade, and I've never tried Nomad Cosmetics. This packaging is like way unnecessary. Like it's so big, but I'm excited to try that. Same with this from Fenty Beauty. It is a kilowatt highlighter. This is something that I will be using as a blush or as a shadow. Obviously it's too dark for my skin tone. This is Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. Gosh, those are so pretty. Like rosy coppers. So beautiful. And if it doesn't work for me, I know I have some friends that have more melanin in their skin tone than I do, and I think that will work nicely on them. This is a Dose of Colors Desi Katie lipstick in Hey Girl, which is like so cool to try a bullet lipstick from Dose. I don't know why they haven't done that more. I would love to see them do that. And that's very pretty. Okay, I think that that might actually look okay on me. I know when the lipsticks came out, I was like, oh, I don't know if that would work on my skin tone. It's like a little thicker as well, so we'll see about that. It's a pretty shade. Then I will be able to try my first Colourpop Luxe gloss. This is in the shade Ticklish. It's like a really light, milky, peachy pink. I'm definitely interested to see how like sticky these might be. That was a dumb place to swatch, but got some nice shine. Very sheer, which I knew, so. It's just to try that formula because you know Colourpop is trying to shove that Luxe formula down our throat right now. Then we have the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss in Peach Tea, which is a really pretty color. And I know that I've been tempted to buy this from the BoxyCharm Facebook group so many times, and I'm glad I didn't, so I could get it from Amanda. It's a really pretty color. It's feeling a little sticky on my hand, like it was like catching on my hairs, so we'll see how that feels on the lips. Then we've got 2 mini Buxom glosses, which I can never say no to because I love Buxom so much. So the clear one with shimmer is Dominique, and then the shimmery red is Brandy Verperte. Then we have a mini Fenty Gloss Bomb in Confetti, which is like an iridescent blue gloss. That'll be very pretty. And I have a little mini Dermablend Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Amanda knows this is my favorite. And this comes with 3 grams. I will be happy to use this under my eyes, and I think I'll probably throw this into my fall project pan to go ahead and get the mini used up because I have some full sizes. So thank you, Amanda, for giving me another item to put in my project. Then we've got some cheek products. I'm very excited for this. This is a mini Jouer highlight in rose gold, and I have to say I'm so impressed this did not arrive broken because I feel like, okay, open. From what I've heard, these are pretty fragile. And here's what that looks like. It's so cute. And I actually think that will work on me. So many other times rose gold, like Becca's, are for like a tan complexion. So I'm very excited to try that. It's so pretty. Then this is what I've wanted for forever. This is the Too Faced Love Flush Blush in Love Hangover. These have been discontinued. Although Too Faced doesn't really have any other blushes. I know that they had that, like the Tutti Frutti ones, which were not very good in my opinion. Then we've got a Colourpop blush from the Peach collection. This is Frisky Business, and I can't say no to peach and coral blushes, and I haven't tried a color like this from Colourpop, so why not? Then we have this nice like midi Colourpop magnetic palette, which I'm so happy to have this because I purchased a Colourpop palette before and they keep like discontinuing their styles, and I got this one with palm trees on it. I think it's very ugly, but I wanted one this size, so I'm very happy to have this. So thank you, Amanda, for that. So we've got 4 blushes in here. This first one is Heartthrob from Makeup Geek. So pretty. Reminds me of Max Melba, except maybe like a little less like nude. Then we have Sydney Gray's Pink Lemonade. Not my typical shade. It's like a metallic light blue pink, but I wanted to try Sydney Gray's blush. That way I can see my thoughts on the formula before the next sale comes. And then these two are from Itsy, I think. This one doesn't have a name on it, but this looks like a really pretty blush topper or like apple color. But I'm thinking it's Itsy because it's the same size as this one, which is Girl Boss. So a nice light peach color. So many blushes to play with, and I know I'm in a place where I should be decluttering blushes, not bringing more in, but I want to try them, so get off my back. So, whoops, oh no, things are falling down here. Now I have this completely full basket of new makeup to play with, which I'm so excited about. So thank you so much, Angela, Jean, and Amanda, for sending all of these awesome products my way. I cannot wait to play with them. And please go check out all of those girls on their social media accounts, which I will have linked down below. And I want to thank you all so much for watching this fun little friend mail haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.